kind of strange story. Oh, come, let's sit down.
Okay.
Do you like this thing? Are you seeing someone at the moment?
No, I don't really like long-distance relationships. But there was this guy from Page who used to study here at the university. But he got a job at his hometown after his studies. So for a while we traveled. He came here, I went there. But you know, it's really crazy for me to buy a train ticket.
Why was it crazy to buy a train ticket?
Because nobody can speak English at the ticket office. So I always have to explain myself using hands, legs.
It's not that easy to buy a train ticket if you don't speak Hungarian, as at most of the railway stations, at the cashier they don't speak any foreign languages. The ticket is called jegy. If you travel around the country, always make sure if you buy a ticket for one way, egy útra, or a return ticket, which is menettérti. The Hungarian Railways, the MÁV, doesn't accept the Euro 26 card. However, if you are under 26, you still can find some discount for the weekends. If you need to ask for an invoice, which is a számla, it is better to have the name and the address of the organization on a card and hand this to the cashier. For trains, you buy the tickets at the railway station, but if you take a bus between towns, you can buy the ticket from the driver, who can give you an invoice, számla, on it, but only if you ask for it. You don't have to validate these tickets. The conductor may come to check it. If you take the local public transport in a city, you either buy a season ticket for a longer period, which is bérlet, or you can buy tickets that you can buy before boarding, even at a newsstand. These tickets are valid for one single journey, and you have to validate them by inserting into the slot on buses, trams and trolleybuses. In case you use the metro in Budapest, you have to validate your ticket at the escalators. For more information on the schedules, visit these websites. Have a nice journey!